This is the piercing frame trick. I'm going to take this frame and I'm going to try to push this nail through, and I can't. It's a solid frame. Now let's take this card, put it into the frame just like that, and let's try this again. Ooh, I was able to put it right through the frame. Take it out. And let's see if we can, look at that. There's a hole in the card, but the frame is solid. This is the piercing frame trick explanation. Basically, it uses the frame, the card, and something to poke a hole through. Now, if you hold the frame just like so, and you don't have anything normal, you cannot poke through the middle. However, when you take the card and you slip it underneath this first section like that, it actually now allows you to move the plastic plate down. You can slide it just like that. When you slide it down, it opens up the middle and you can poke through the frame now. After you take it out and you remove the card, you can now slide the middle part back up into place so it again is solid, but you have the card with the hole in it.